Good morning, supersfarm. So I was out here wiping off my trays, cleaning them up so I can store them. And this guy was taking a little nap. I believe this is a cicada. He's huge. And I'm torn. Do I let him live, or is he protein for boots? I'm torn also because it's quite a beautiful bug. I know, right? I'm a weirdo, but it is. Like, you can see these different reflections of green, and I don't know, it's just got these like iridescent wings. I don't know if he's molting. What's going on down there? I don't know. What would you do? Peace.